This is Ian, and in 2024, Amazon updated its coupon dashboard. And one thing they also did for the new coupon experience is they added a retargeting option for coupons. And I want to show you how that works if you're creating a new coupon, because basically what it does is it lets you create a coupon for people that have already bought a good if you want to remind them to buy the same good again. So let's go through the process. To get to this particular page, this is the new coupon dashboard. Go to Amazon Seller Central, click on the menu icon, then select Advertising and Coupons. You should come to a page like this. If you don't see it, just press the button or the link that says look at the new coupon experience. So this is the new coupon experience. This shows the current coupons you have running as well as expired coupons. And then I'm going to create a new coupon. And the retargeting option is actually called reorder coupon. You see that link, the button here? Select reorder coupon. And then what you need to do is you need to add the ASIN or the product name for that particular item. So I'm going to search for the product name and see if it comes up. And here it is right here. So one thing I want to note about about choosing a coupon for this retargeting or this reorder coupon, I'm going to select something that, first of all, has a ton of inventory. You can see that there's like 690 units in inventory. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select an item that people order all the time. Because what I want to have happen is Amazon is going to help me retarget these particular people. So this is one of my top selling products. I want Amazon to send messages and reminders to people that, hey, we're going to give you a special, you haven't ordered this item in a while, we're going to give you a little bit of a discount. And if you hover over the question mark here, it says reorder coupons allow you to offer discounts to customers who previously purchased your products but have not reordered within the expected time. I don't know what the expected time is, but I really like it that Amazon is helping me remind these customers. Either, I'm not sure, it might be through an email or it might be through something on the Amazon website, like a reminder, hey, here's a 5 or 10% coupon. So I'm going to select reorder coupon. I selected the item. I could also select more than one item, but this is the one that I really want to do because this is an item that sells well and I have a lot in stock. I'm going to click continue up here, select the start date and the end date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start it in January 2024, and then ending also at the end of January, and then percentage off. So this product, actually, my margins are not great on it. It's one of my kind of, I'd say, slightly less expensive products. I can do 10% at most. After that, I actually, it's not that profitable for me. Note that it says minimum 5% and maximum 50%. If you're setting the maximum discount there, you better really be sure that you can absorb that because that's a huge, huge discount. Keep in mind that in addition to the cost of the item, you have to deal with things like the FBA fees or the other fees that Amazon takes off the top there. So 10% is about as good as I can do it. The good thing about this is because the people have bought this product before and it's a very popular product. So hopefully this will entice some to take a chance on it. Limit redemption to 1 per customer. I'm not going to check that because I have a lot in inventory, and then select budget. So I'm going to put in a relatively big budget for me. And just so you know, there's basically what the offering is US dollar equivalent of the discount you're offering. So this is about $2.20 and redemption fees of 60 cents per each redemption. So all in all, this is close to $3 for each redemption, including the discount itself, and I'm budgeting $500. So I'll be able to sell maybe like 150 of these items using that if people actually go for it, and then save 10% on family group sheets. Whoops. One thing I can do is you can actually use the all caps. So I'm going to do that. So let's just say genealogy group sheets. All right. And then target customers to target reorder customers. You can't change that because I already selected before. And then click continue. So now I'll be brought to the review screen. This is what people will see on the page. I'm assuming there's going to be something to those previous customers that will highlight it on the page when they're looking on the Amazon app or on the Amazon website. Here's the details of when it's going to be running. So this is how the retargeting coupons work. They're called reorder coupons on Amazon Seller Central. I'm going to click submit. It's going to bring me back to the coupon dashboard. It always asks, do you want to create a sponsored products campaign? It's like, no, I'm already giving them a discount. I'm not going to spend more money on that. and we'll see how that goes. And basically, this is the campaign I just submitted, so it hasn't been accepted yet. I might come back later on just to check to make sure that's working. For more information on how to get the most out of Amazon Seller Central, if you go to my blog, leanmedia.org, click on blog or video, I have lots of free advice about how to get the most out of Amazon Seller Central. I've been a professional seller for 6 or 7 years, and I just like to share my advice and help other people out. Thank you so much for watching.